Hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm the late fire starter. So that's stands for Financial Independence, Retire Early. So I'm just here to tell you about my journey on my way to financial independence. And I got a late start in my 40s, and the way I'm doing this is through rental income and through dividend investing income. Today I'm going to talk to you about my dividend portfolio, but as I go through, I'm going to be showing you my rentals as well as my dividend portfolio and other strategies that I'm working on and other things that I have to share with you. So please subscribe and follow along my journey. And as all the YouTubers say who have more than 2 people watching the video, go ahead and like that video because that's good for the YouTube algorithm. Maybe I can get up to 4 people watching the video. Today we're going to go over my dividend portfolio and look how much dividends paid out for September. I know it's October, but I had to wait for September end to add it all up. So let's check it out. Here's the good news. Right here. This is my dividend total for the year. Okay, now my goal is $1,000 a month in dividend payouts. So my annual goal would be $12,000. So I am at 1/3, over 1/3 of my goal right now. Okay, so right now this $4,122 a year. That is way more than a quarter. I was a quarter last time I did one of these videos. I'm over 1/3 now. Now, with that said, I bought a lot more than normal because we had some red days and because some other things happened. I was able to buy a lot more recently. So, just to notice some changes, I bought some O, which is a REIT, Real Estate Investment Trust, okay? So I bought 15 shares of those. I bought some Altria Group, which is MO. I bought 25 shares of those. I did another video on this, but I ended up buying 100 shares of XLE, which is a ETF for energy stocks. Because I had sold a put, and a put is basically an option saying I will buy 100 shares. At the time, I put the put at $35. At the time, this ETF was above $35, and it looks like it was going up. So I was betting that it wouldn't drop. So in light of that, when I sell a put, I'm going to make $30 to $150, whatever it may be, and then I just keep that money. Well, in this case, I bet wrong and it backfired. So I bought 100 shares at $35, but the reason my share price is $33.66 is because I subtracted how much I got by selling the put. Okay, so instead of costing me $3,500, I said it cost me $33.65, which means $135 is what I got paid to sell that put, but instead of being profit, it ended up just getting swallowed up into buying this price. But 100 shares of that. I also increased 100 shares of T, which is AT&T, which is a aristocrat there, a dividend aristocrat. So basically, that was also a put that I bet would not go down as low as it did, but it did drop. But my share price with the put and my original cost is still within, so I'm not too far down, $44 down on that. Okay, I also had some dividends come in, so I increased a few things here and there. I also bought 5 more shares of VYM, and I bought 10 more shares of SCHV. Those are both general ETFs. I would call them core holdings because they both have over 400 stocks in them, and they have good yields. Okay, so anyways, if you look at this overall, I'm generally down $283, okay, 21 cents. My yield on cost is 6.62% on this portfolio, and the current yield is 6.25, and like it shows here is my annual dividend payout. So that is really great. I have, as you can see, $62,000 currently. I put in $62,290. So, I'm about down a little bit there. And here are my dividend payouts for the month of September. So on the 1st, I got paid from QYLD $16.67 and Pfizer $19. Then on the 10th, I got $2.38. I also got $56.55 from ExxonMobil. From VYM, one of my core holdings there, my biggest part of my portfolio, I got $114.79. I have one stock of that. I got 34 cents. That's the overall stock market there. From BP, I got $39.38. From SCHV, I really want to build up SCHV here. I got $16.27. From IDV, I got $7.54. QYLD, which is a covered call income fund, I got $16.21. That's monthly there. PEY, I got $13.18. SPHD, I got $32.101. And XSHD, I got $13.86 for a grand total of $340.18. Okay, and so that is my September. Let me open this up more. So that's my September dividend payouts, $348, as well as my current new purchases. And the great news that I'm over a third of the way to my goal, okay? So I'm ahead of schedule right now. And one of the reasons I'm ahead of schedule is because I refinanced my first purchase, my condo in Gardena, which I had a video about, all of those numbers. So that is great news. So that got me some cash back and basically paid off some other loans, and is giving me a much better deal. So I can do a video about that as well, but that just happened today. And so all these stocks were paid for, and then I replenished my bank account, and I'm kind of back on my feet. So that's the good news, and I'm just happy to be over 1/3 of the way of my goal, which is amazing.